Can you spot the near doubles and solve all three before the timer ends? Question 1. 4 plus 5 plus 3 equals what? 3, 2, 1. The answer is 12. 4 and 5 are near doubles. Start with double 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 is 1 more than 4, so add 1 more. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now add the number that is left. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Great job. Now, question 2. 6 plus 7 plus 2 equals what? 3, 2, 1. The answer is 15. 6 and 7 are near doubles. Excellent work. Question 3. 7 plus 8 plus 5 equals what? 3, 2, 1. The answer is 20. 7 and 8 are near doubles.
How many did you get right?